person that asked this question, the question is very interesting, not the bad interesting, but good interesting, that he said that I understand English, but when I'm speaking or writing it, I have a lot of spelling mistakes, and while speaking, I have pronunciation mistakes. So number one, for your pronunciation, you should practice it. Listen to other people who are professionals. Listen, practice, and then do that routine. Repeat it again and again. Watch, and for your spelling mistakes, you should watch to a word that you understand or you have spelling mistake. Write it 10 times. Then, so for the spellings in specific, you need to have the syllables, because syllables are the basics. If you don't have the syllables, you cannot understand it. Like my sister, if you have the sounds for ABC, it is much more better. Like my sister, she can understand and decode ABC in the sounds. So now that she watches to even one of the hardest words, like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, if I write it on the board, so she can decode it, she can spell it, she can speak the word, because she knows the alphabets, she knows the syllables, she knows the sounds. You should understand the sounds. Next, a really funny question with us. The question is that what do you eat that you're so much intelligent? So I don't eat anything special. I eat the normal food that any kid eats. But the thing that I eat a lot is multiple type of different dua, multiple type of different prayers that I get from my parents, from old people, and from people that I help in my life. Like there are a lot of people that I helped in my life. And on the other hand, the teachers also have a big role in my intelligence. Their good behavior with me and their focus on me and the good behavior they did with me when I was a child was one of the reasons. So the reason why you people think that I'm so intelligent is that a lot of you people know that I have my parents, they are with me, but my teachers also have a big hand. Their good behavior they did with me and the help they did with me and focus they have on me is the reason why I'm good. So the reason you people think I'm so intelligent are my parents and teachers. I hope these are all the questions that you people have. There were some others, but these were topics, not questions. And this was a question answer session. So I hope you people understood our today's questions. So the last question that we have with ourselves is that barriers in English language speaking. So the question is very great, and I have a video over that, so you guys can go watch that video. It will be very helpful for all of you people. I hope you people got your answer for some of your questions. There was some other questions that were topics, not questions, and this is a question answer session. So I am sorry to all of the people who are sad that our questions and topics are not inside. So the topics will be recorded soon, and until that time, thank you so much for being with me. This is all. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.